President Bola Tinubu has forwarded 7 ministerial nominations to the Senate for confirmation following yesterday's cabinet reshuffle. Senate President Godswill Akpabio, reading the executive communication during plenary, revealed the names of the nominees, which include prominent diplomat Bianca Odinaka Odumegu Ojukwu, who has been nominated as Minister of State for Foreign Affairs. Other nominees include Dr. Nentawi Yiwatda for the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction, and Muhammadu Meigari Dingyadi, who is slated to head the Ministry of Labour and Employment. The list also includes Dr. Jumoke Oduwole for Industry, Trade and Development, Idi Mukhtar Meha for Livestock Development, Right Honourable Yusuf Abdullahi Atta as Minister of State for Housing, and Dr. Suhaiba Said Ahmed as Minister of State for Education. This nomination comes from yesterday's cabinet reshuffle, which saw 5 ministers dismissal and several ministries consolidation. The Senate is expected to commence screening of the nominees as early as next Wednesday. Senate President Akpabio has referred the presidential request to the Committee of the Whole for consideration, signaling the upper chamber's readiness to expedite the confirmation process. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.